everyone, so today I am going to show you how to make a fun paper airplane. So I had a request from Ivan to show you guys how to make a paper airplane, and then my 5th grade boys at the end of the school year really enjoyed making the same paper airplane. So we're going to show you how to do that today. What you need is just a piece of paper. This is just a piece of photocopy paper. It's 8.5 by 11. This is a former drawing assignment for my class. So we're going to start off with this, and you're going to need your fingers, and that's it. I'm going to swap cameras so that you can see what I am doing, and I'll be back in just a second. Okay, so again, this is just a piece of 8.5 by 11 drawing paper. You can see it is my 45-minute drawing challenge for, it was used when I had some subs, now it's not quite using it anymore. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it so it's going the tall way. I'm going to move my computer just a tad, so I've got it going the tall way in front of me. When I fold it first, I'm going to fold it in half, the tall way, so I get that tall, skinny rectangle. Now, you're going to notice I use my fingernails. You want to make sure that all of your creases for paper airplanes are good and straight. So, first crease, fold it in half. Then I'm going to open it back up. Now I am going to take this part, I'm going to fold it so it touches this center. Some of you may want to take your fingernail and stick it right here. I'm just going to make sure I watch my fold. I'm going to ignore the paper line that is down the middle of my paper because that's not what I need. Then I'm going to crease it really good with my fingernail. Now I'm going to take this side and do the same thing. I'm going to fold it down to touch, and that will give me the triangle nose of where I need to start for my airplane. However, if you look at my original airplane, I don't have a pointy nose, not like a triangle. So that's where this next step comes in. So I've made sure that this side and this side are super creased. I'm now going to fold along the bottom of this big triangle that these two triangles make together. So I'm going to grab the top, I'm going to fold it down, I'm going to find where my two pieces, my triangle bottom is, and you're going to notice that I'm lining my middle fold up with the point. I'm going to crease it. I'm going to crease it really good. Okay, so, now, is it going to fly? No. I need couple more steps. So I'm going to take my finger, I'm going to find my first knuckle. It's right here where I bend my finger first. That's my knuckle. I'm going to put this line down here at the bottom of my triangle. Put it down right there. Now I'm going to take this corner, fold it to the top of my finger. Once it's there, I'm going to move my finger, put my finger on top of the edge, and smooth out my fold. So make sure it's nice and good. Notice I'm using my thumbnail. Okay, our second fold is easier because this point is going to line up with our existing one right here. So I'm just going to take, I'm going to fold it over, and I'm going to have them touch, not overlap, but just touch. I'm going to stick my finger there, and I'm going to fold this down and crease it really good with my fingernails. Now, if you don't have fingernails, you can use a marker, part of a pencil. Don't use the eraser, that doesn't crease very well. But you can use a side of an eraser, anything like that. You can even use a spoon. Okay, so, is this going to fly yet? Still no. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this pointy part of my triangle, I'm going to fold it up so that it covers those two folded together corners. Now, you want to make sure you fold it so it goes all the way and is touching. If you don't, it's not going to lock those corners in place. Now, I'm going to take and I'm going to turn it over. I'm going to simply rotate it a little bit. Then I'm going to fold it in half. Now we've got to make the wings. So, our airplane looks like this when we are all said and done. We're going to fold our wings. So I'm going to take this edge, just the top layer. I'm going to fold it to touch the bottom here. I'm going to fold it to touch the bottom. And crease it really good with my fingernail. Then I'm going to turn it over. I'm going to take the second wing. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to take this edge and fold it so it touches right here. And there you have your paper airplane. When you go to fly this, grab it right here by the triangle, and then you can launch it. If you want to decorate your airplane, I recommend marker, because crayon and colored pencil weigh too much and they'll weigh down your paper. Can you use something that already has photocopy stuff written on it? Absolutely. I just did. So there you have it. I have two. Means I probably need a third one because I've got a daughter. She's going to want to play with airplanes too. So, paper airplanes, make sure you don't throw them in the house. Make sure you don't throw them at the TV. Throw them outside. Have some fun. And I will see you guys later.